Hey guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back with another unboxing. This time, as you can see, it's for Watch Dogs Legion on the Xbox Series X. So yeah, it's Christmas 2020 and what a year. So yeah, I got this today. Really looking forward to playing this actually. Got this off one of my friends. So yeah, as you can see, where's the guy with a piggy mask on? So yeah, there's the side. And there's the back. So it includes the London Dissident pack, I think it's called. So yeah, inside we have that, which has got a code on it, which has already been used, and we also have the disc. So yeah, as I say, really looking forward to playing it. Yeah, can't wait. So anyway, that's it for my unboxing of Watch Dogs Legion, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you soon. Cheers, buddy, bye.